All right, so hello, Susan Greco Interiors. Hello.
So last time we were here,
Yeah.
we were discussing that electrical needed to happen and some plumbing we had to get ready for our cabinetry.
Right.
So we do have some pot lights installed now in the family room. We have our pot lights installed in the kitchen.
What kind of pot lights did you use?
Well, these are 4-inch LEDs.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We also have a couple light boxes for our pendants that are going to go over the island. And we had to move our light in the dinette area over a little bit to accommodate the table.
Oh, okay.
Because their table
Right.
is a wide table.
Yes.
So then again, upstairs and in the bathrooms, they've just centered our lights properly over the vanities.
Yeah.
And then some plugs have gone in where we needed some plugs. Light switches are going in where they're going to be switched. We've got some 3 ways going on, so when you come from outside, you don't have to run across the room.
Oh, that's.
Turn on the light,
Yeah.
turn off the light, and vice versa. So we've got that. And
So
then-
can I just, I have
Yes.
to say, it's so funny because when I go out to do open houses, I always have to turn on all the lights, right?
Yes.
So that you've got great lighting. And there's so many light switches in some houses.
Yes.
I'm like, oh, okay. And then if one switches, like one works both.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's quite interesting
Well,
at times.
You know what? When you have an area like this, you've got an entry from the back and entry
Yeah.
from the front. So
Exactly.
if you don't think about it,
Right.
then when you come in and you've got to walk across,
Yeah.
turn off, or upstairs in a bedroom, you know,
Right.
you can turn off the switch from upstairs to turn off your foyer light or something.
Yeah,
like that. So
that's actually a really
if
good
you can
idea.
do it, it's good to do. Of course, sometimes it's not always
Right.
possible.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
So we also have some plumbing going on. So what happened was we found out that the plumbing here was not up to code. The homeowner decided, you know, they're gonna live here.
Yeah.
So let's get it proper. So that's what they're doing now. They're venting and installing the tub upstairs, roughing it all in so my tiling could then take place.
Excellent.
Okay.
All
So
right.
that's the update really of what's happened here.
Okay.
And then we have some colors.
All
to
right.
show.
Let's go look at colors.
Okay, so colors are over here. So what we've done, I'll start with upstairs. So this is the bathroom upstairs. So this is the porcelain floor that's going up there. This particular tile, it's actual tile. It looks like wood, but it is
Yeah.
tile.
I love it.
Yeah, so it's going in the tub surround because it's going to be a tub shower. So you'll have your
Oh.
tub, and then this is going to be on all 3 walls.
Okay.
And this particular product here is
I love
a
this.
quartz
Oh my
countertop.
gosh.
It's an actual Cambria quartz countertop.
It's beautiful.
And yeah, that's going in the bathroom. This will be the color of the vanity,
Oh.
and this will be the color of the walls.
And what's that color called again?
It's called icing on the cake.
Icing on the cake.
So that makes you hungry.
Yeah, I love though the vein, like that turquoise vein,
Yeah.
whatever, and it has a little bit of a silver flat,
Yeah,
like
sparkle in
a
it.
sparkle.
And it's very
Love it.
beachy. We're on
Yeah,
the beach, so we get to
exactly.
be beachy. This particular rug is going into the master bedroom. Upstairs, we have existing laminate floors that the homeowner is going to keep.
Okay.
And then they actually have this rug, which when I redid their home, they liked it so much, so we just reused the same particular product because it wears
Oh, sure,
very well.
why not? Yeah.
They're happy with
that's
that.
gonna go in.
So then over here, I'm gonna scoot over.
Yep.
What we have, this is the product, this is the laminate floor that's going, or sorry, the vinyl floor that's going all over the whole main area.
Oh, that's
Okay.
nice.
I
Yeah.
couldn't get a bigger piece for today, but this
That's
is it.
okay.
And this is the color of the kitchen cabinets. Okay.
Nice.
This is the countertop. Again,
Oh,
another
wow.
quartz. Yeah. So it's like almost like a concrete look.
Yeah.
And this is our backsplash that's going
Very
on.
nice.
And again, this would be the color that we're thinking of for kitchen area as well as this. But
Oh, I love it.
yeah, so that's the samples that we have. So it's a feeling very much of a very beach feel.
Like it's beachy. Yeah.
cottagey, comfortable.
Yes.
Comfortable.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Now I don't know. Did you want to show the 3D
Yeah,
from the computer.
For sure. Yeah, let's give everybody an idea. So Susan, this is a program that you work with a lot?
Yes. So
okay. And this would be like a concept after you have a consultation with your client,
Correct.
You would go, okay.
So this, I'll show this one first. So this is the bedroom. So we're going to have shiplap against where the bed goes.
Yeah.
They've got their 2 windows which are looking out onto the water.
Yep.
And again, just a nice,
I love it.
Nice feel to the space.
Very nice.
So let me find now that
Okay.
we're. Let's see how
a little bit of a.
how quickly I can do this and look like I know what I'm doing.
Oh, you always know what you're doing.
Well, I just have to find it. That's not on the computer.
And I love how like you can just write on the walls when there's nothing, like, so that you know where everything's going.
Yes.
When my dad built our house, he let us draw on the,
Yes.
we used to call it gyprock, but I know that's not the proper name.
Drywall.
Drywall, yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
And my sister drew horses, and I drew like as if I was a bank teller, because.
Okay.
Right? I know. That's what they used to have wickets, right?
Oh yes.
Yeah,
Oh
okay.
my goodness, that's funny.
I know, I'm dating myself. Okay.
So here we are. We're standing in this particular space right now.
Oh my gosh. Cool.
So we're facing the lovely French doors.
Yeah.
The fireplace, of course, the concept of the fireplace here,
Yeah.
and this will be our seating area.
I love it.
Yeah.
Love this.
So it's quite cozy. We're gonna have shiplap there against where the TV is, so on that
Yeah.
wall there.
Very nice. And then look, everybody, that's
the view.
Yeah, that's the view. Okay, this is awesome. So just wanted to give you that a little bit of an update of what we've got planned. And thank you so much, Susan.
You're very welcome.
All right, and we will be back.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.